Hello there and welcome back to Brainify TECH. In today's tutorial we're going to take a look at how to remove hyperlinks in Excel. So let's crack on. We have a worksheet where we have a couple of hyperlinks inserted. The top one is a website address and the bottom one is an email address. If we select B5 and type in a new email address, john@gmail.com, and press enter, you can see the hyperlink is added automatically, even though we may just want the link to display as normal text. We can remove individual hyperlinks, remove all hyperlinks from the entire worksheet, or change the Excel options so that hyperlinks are not added automatically in the future. Select A5, make sure you don't actually click on the hyperlink text, right click, select remove hyperlink from the shortcut menu and press enter. John's email hyperlink has been removed. To remove all hyperlinks on the worksheet, select the whole worksheet by clicking in the top left corner of the column and row headers, right click, select remove hyperlinks and press enter. All hyperlinks have been removed from the sheet. Let's change the Excel options to stop hyperlinks from automatically being created in the first place. Click the File tab and then Options in the bottom left corner. Your Excel Options dialog box pops up. Select Proofing from the list on the left and click the Auto Correct Options button. On the dialog box that opens, select the second tab, the Auto Format as you type tab, and uncheck the first option, Internet and Network Paths and Hyperlinks. Press OK and press OK again. Now if we select B6 and type in jane@gmail.com and press enter, you can see that the text has not been automatically hyperlinked. Okay, so now you know how to remove hyperlinks in Excel.